UMLA ka Rajabala constituency Dr. Mizanur Kazi ulong ba ka Bhaitbari CHC karade ka Wayne ki hospital ka Bunkam tam ha ka Jylla namar ki ba wan bansha sumar ki dei nadu ki ba shitom hadu ki ba armed mat kumju ki ba wan khakhun ya kani ulapan pau hadien ba menteri ketenat ka kwat ka khia ba wailat mi ki Shilla ulapan tip batang kinong pangru ki poi palat phau hajar ha ka shisnam bat ki ba wan khakhun ru ki poi bet ki spa bat kot wat sha ka shi hajar ngut tam.
Speaker, sir. Reply to star question 138. A. Sir, the total number of inpatient in CHC during the year 2023-24 is 1,082. 2024-25, 1,816. 2025-26, 1,840. The total number of outpatient in the CHC during the year 2023-24 is 29,678. 2024-25 is 47,493. 2025-26, 51,242. B, sir. Sir, the total number of deliveries conducted at Bhaitbari CHC during the year 2023-24 is 887. 2024-25 is 1,028. 2025-26 is 868. C, sir. Sir, the total number of pregnant women referred to the higher center due to complication during the year 2023-24 is 118. 2024-25, 127. 2025-26 is 186. D, sir. Sir, the measure being implemented to improve maternal and child health care services at Bhaitbari CHC are as follows. Antenatal care services. Early registration of pregnant women within 12 weeks. Minimum 4 antenatal checkup. Regular physical examination. Laboratory testing, free of cost. TD vaccination. Nutritional counseling. Screening for high-risk condition. Providing iron and folic acid supplement. Once a free ultrasound for all pregnant women and promotion of institutional deliveries, ensuring deliveries are conducted by trained doctors and nurses and provided emergency obstetric care. Postnatal care, postnatal delivery checkups, breastfeeding support, KMC and family planning counseling. Third, identification and management of high-risk pregnancies, screening for high-risk conditions, daily tracking of all due pregnant women 14 days prior to expected date of delivery. Fourth, PMSMA, Pradhan Mantri Surakshit Matriva Abhiyan, fixed day antenatal care services 9 of every month, including diagnostic tests and doctor consultation. Fifth, CMSMS, Chief Minister Safe Motherhood Scheme, providing transit home for high-risk pregnant women, free stay and provide free diet for pregnant women and her attendants till delivery from CMSMS. Six, free transportation of pregnant women and infant carrying from home to facility before delivery and dropping from facility to home after delivery through CMSMS. 7, free referral to higher facility of pregnant women and infant to higher facility by using CMSMS vehicle. 8, NBSU, Newborn Civilization Unit. We have separate NBSU to manage sick babies and neonates. 9, provision of all essentials required for mother and baby is free of cost. 10, we have separate KMC, kangaroo care mother room and breastfeeding room, sir.
Your supplementary.
Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, first of all, I would like to thank the Honorable Minister in charge for his exhaustive reply. The idea behind bringing in this question is, as we can see the data, it's one of the busiest hospitals in the entire state. Sir, as we could see the tremendous load of inpatient and outpatient in the CHC, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge, what is the staff pattern in terms of doctors and staff nurses in the hospital, and how many of them are referred to, are deputed or sent for training or higher education? And does the present strength of doctors comply with the doctor-patient ratio as mentioned by the National Medical Council of India?
Sir, right now, the doctors, regarding with the doctors, there are four MOs in station. One is MO from Ayush. Regarding the doctors which are on study leave, there are two MOs which are on study leave, Dr. Pritam Das and Dr. Bidan Chek Marak. And there is a gynecologist which is deployed to Tura MCH hospital. There is one junior specialist, a pediatrician, which is a surgeon, which is deployed to Bakmara, but later on didn't join, sir. This is a new recruit from MMSRB, but he didn't come and join, sir. Regarding the deployment of this gynecologist to Tura MCH, sir, it's due to the non-operationalize of the OT, sir, because of the non-availability of the anesthesiologist, sir. Like rightly mentioned, sir, by the honorable member, right now, sir, we have, there are shortage of doctors at the moment, especially in terms of specialists, sir. Just to inform the House, sir, that in the whole state, we have only 4 anesthesiologists, sir, which is really very less, sir. But from the department, sir, we have tried the recruitment from the MMSRB, and just to inform again to the House that we have got the sanction from the finance department that very soon we are going to recruit more on contractual basis, sir. Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, sir, as we could see, the total number of institutional deliveries and the total number of referrals for complicated deliveries to higher centers, and as we could see from the reply of Honorable Minister in charge, that one gynecologist is already posted in the CSC, but due to the absence of or non-functionality of OT and due to the absence of anesthesiologist, she or he has been deputed to Tura MCH. But as there are so many pregnant ladies and deliveries in the hospital, in view of this, may I request the Honorable Minister in charge that the gynecologist be immediately transferred or deputed back to his or her original place of posting, because even in case of normal and complicated pregnancies also, one specialized like a gynecologist is very much required.
I truly agree with the honorable member, sir. But right now, like I said, sir, because due to the non-availability of anesthesiologists, so that's why, because of the non-operationalize of the OT, so that's why we thought that because most of the complicated cases are being referred to the MCH Tura. So that's why, sir, we have sent her there. But like I already mentioned, sir, from the department, we are trying our level best that to recruit the anesthesiologist as soon as possible. So once the anesthesiologist is in place, so sir, we will bring all the required specialists to the CHC.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge whether ECG facility is available in Bhaitbari CSC, and if yes, whether any ECG technician is posted in the CSC?
Yes, sir, the ECG is available, but right now the ECG technician is not in place, but the doctor and the nurses are trained to do ECG, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, may I appraise the Honorable Minister in charge Health that after the transfer of the old Bhaitbari PSC to Bhaitbari CSC, the building, including all infrastructure, are lying vacant. And in view of the tremendous load of patients in the CSC, and since there are so many referrals to higher centers from the CSC, may I humbly request the Honorable Minister in charge that if a first referral unit or a MCH hospital can be set up in the old building, which will also, which will also save government funds because building is already ready. If there is any possibility, I would like to request the Honorable Minister in charge health regarding that. Thank you.
Sir, it is the endeavor of the government to make all CHC as FRU. But like I already mentioned, sir, the problem here is with the specialists. Due to the shortage of specialists, that's why we couldn't make the present CHC as FRU. But the request from the honorable member is duly noted. And sir, like I already mentioned, that as soon as we get the specialists in place, so we'll definitely make the CIC as FRU, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, through you, may I again request the Honorable Minister in charge, Health and Family Welfare, to kindly consider for an urban wellness center at Tinmuni World Bhaitbari area under the 15th Finance Commission under NHM.
Sir, just to inform the House that the 15th Finance Commission is going to end now. So definitely, but sir, the request from the honorable member is duly noted, and if possible, definitely will consider in the next coming 16th Finance Commission.